Hello friends, so I'm continuing now my video series about SilverProject product, and as I promised, here I have some also adjustable tow arms which I think will be good upgrade for my car. In overall, the camber arms and tow arms which are adjustable will let me to receive a good camber numbers, and will help not to wear the tire with the wrong way. Here it is. The machining is almost the same as it was on the camber arms. You can search on Google and you can see what camber means and what tow means on the car itself. What we have here, middle shaft from the steel, I like it very much, heavy duty. We have some washers which does not allow to loose the nut, also which is needed to secure the position of you will adjust this arm. We have some polyurethane bushings inside. Here you can see it, the sleeve and the head, which is made also from the steel. So construction is enough heavy duty. Here we have some imperfections and not very accurate job with the polyurethane bushing, but I think it will not affect on the working abilities of this tow arm. Also, on the other hand, we have this nut which secures this tow arm on the car. This is nylon inserted bolt nut. We can remove this bolt from here, but let's put it inside and let's stay inside. We have here some Allen, so you must work with Allen keys to secure the bolt, not to spin, and then you can tighten it on the specific torque moment. Also here you can you can see how the head moves and the way it is adjustable, so you can play with your car tow with this tow arm. Guys, on my car the tow arms are still from the factory, 23 years old. From factory W210 is allowed to be adjusted rear tow only 2 positions. There are some bolts which is adjustable, but I wanted to achieve something special, and I think these tow arms are better compared to the original ones. They are adjustable many times more, and you can receive many options here. Also here you can see how the ball joint is made on the head of the this SilverProject camber is tow arm. This is something unusual for me, the flat head with inside ball joint, but let's see how they will perform on the long-term condition and working progress. I will also share the results with you. The story is the same with the other one. The build quality is very good, enough heavy duty. Let's see how will they perform, how will they allow me to adjust the tow and camber, I mean the camber arms, which I also have reviewed on my channel. I think that once and the last time they will allow me to receive a good camber numbers. So what can I say in additional? These tow arms cost more compared to the camber arms, and also if you want to order in complete, in kit, I'd better to recommend to search their offer, where they offer camber arms and tow arms with good price. Once again, guys, now I cannot recommend to anyone this toe arms because I have not checked them fitment the first and how they will work on my car, what will they allow me to do. But from the first view, I decided to try them. This is my experience on this stage, and that's why I want to share my thoughts to you. One problem we have here is the ABS line. On the original toe arms there is some clip where the ABS line is inserted. Here we have no clips, so I think I will have to use some good quality zip ties and secure the ABS line on the shaft, on the black metal shaft of this toe arm. So guys, in overall, let's think that this will work, but once again, what will be the final result and the fitment? I don't like some custom fitments. I want to remove part and install the better part. This is the way I am looking for every time, and hope here I will not have any problems. Here you can see how the heads are welded on the threads. Not very accurate, but no one sees this part, and in this situation it is mainly important that the weld was good, and I think that here the weld is good. I am not talking now about how beautiful the weld and accurate it is. I have no problem with the parts which are mounted under the car and no one sees them. So guys, in overall, I like them very much. My further thoughts about it I will share with you in the next episodes. Hope you like this video. If it was enough informational, please don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching, and I will catch you in the next videos. Goodbye.